This is Matthew, Florida Boy, and today we're in for another episode of Canteen Cup Tuesday. It's about 11:30 in the morning or so, but the first thing I'm going to do is make some coffee. And there is literally no bad time of day for coffee. I drink coffee right before I go to bed. You know, it don't bother me none. And then we're going to do a little kind of breakfast edition. You know, it's just what I have in my little standard food pouch. And you guys saw this. If you didn't see this, go to a video, either last video or a couple videos ago. This is my standard food bag, and I'm trying it out for the first time, and it's working great. I'm gonna put a lot more stuff in there, but let's go down and get this coffee going because I could use it. All right, here we go. We got Old Faithful Canteen Cup. Just a little beer can stove, some alcohol fuel, my lighter, which is nice, and these two little supports for the Canteen Cup stove. And what we do with these little supports is the short side we put in one of the holes, and we come around and we attach it. So it makes our own little pot stand. And this thing is pretty pliable. You can bend it pretty easy. And then you just adjust it wherever you want it to be. And then when you're cooking, you got an instant pot stand. I keep hearing something back in the swamp. It's either some hogs or some turkeys or something, but we're going to find out. So let's get this going. We want to be pretty darn careful with alcohol fuel with all of this forest floor. And I'm going to put this only holds about 1 ounce of alcohol. So we're going to put about 1 ounce of it in there. All right. We're going to get us some water going. About that much water. Okay. I want to maximize my burning time, so I don't want to start the stove up until I'm ready to roll. Pour that in there. Now I could cook it over there, but that ain't a canteen cup. So what would it be without canteen cups? All right, let's see if we can. Do this here. There we go. That's all we need to do. And that is going. And that is gonna bloom up. Before you know it, we are cooking with gas. Okay. I'll come back when we're ready for coffee. All right, let's check our water. That is some seriously hot water. It's not boiling, but man, that's hot enough. I forgot my gloves, so I gotta use these on the canteen cup. What we're gonna do is before that, get our cup, and we just got some of these folder sleeves. Instant coffee. I love instant coffee. There we go. So, man, okay. Look at that. Holy bajoli. We're gonna let that cool down for a little while. We got the Harbor Freight cutlery set. Here we go. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, to prove we're not a total savage, we got a little bit of vanilla cream. Okay. Oh man, that's so hot. I gotta let that cool off a little bit. I'm gonna let my alcohol stove burn down, and then we'll come back. Man, it's a beautiful day. I'm just letting the alcohol stove burn down, and then I'm gonna do some hot honey grits, and that's gonna be really good. But this arrangement that I have for Canteen Cup stove and Canteen Cup cooking is so good. I think I showed it to you guys before. I got those little wire supports that I put on the Canteen Cup stove, and it holds the Canteen Cup right over the stove. This is just my GSI Glacier cup with my coffee. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's so good. Ooh, dude, that is so hot. Oh man, that is so good. There is literally never a bad time for coffee. I haven't done Canteen Cup Tuesday in a while. I would like to start doing them again now that it's not 112-degree blast furnace. You don't want to be drinking hot coffee at 112 degrees, but it's probably 77, 78 degrees today. As you can see, it was really windy yesterday, but it's not windy today. And it's just a really nice sunny day. And I'm here at the oak camp, and kind of my basic lean-to shelter, and I guess it would be a modified A-frame shelter out of the Harbor Freight 8x10 tarp and Ollie's Bargain Barn 8x6 tarp. And this is just a wonderful day. I texted my wife. She says, "When are you coming home?" And I'm like, "In a few days." And she said, "Ha ha ha ha, no." So I got to go home sometime today. So I'm gonna drink this coffee, and now I'm gonna get set up. My Canteen Cup stove just went out, so I'm gonna get set up to do some more water and do some honey grits, some hot honey grits. So let's go do that. Okay, so today we're doing a couple of pouches of Quaker instant butter grits, and those are actually good. No self-respecting Southerner use instant grits. Well, I'm using instant grits. I don't care what y'all say. Put about another 3/4 of an ounce of water in the stove. See if we can light this up again. Maybe. Maybe. You don't want to put the lighter right down there into it. Nope. Not yet. Here we go. Bam. Okay. The stove lit up. Those are out. The stove is lit. We are going to boil this water. And then we are going to make some hot honey grits. How I'm going to make the hot honey grits is I ain't got no, I ain't bring no Cristal with me today. So I didn't know whether it was going to be good in grits or not. But I got some of this stuff. Mike's Hot Honey. Hey, how bad could it be? All right, so let's wait for that water to boil. We get these grits going. All right, let's check out our water. Holy mackerel, that boils fast. Sheesh. All right, we're just gonna take that off the fire, put it right there. Whew. And we're gonna take our double loaded grits, dump them in there, and it just says stir. Grits, I guess, thicken up, which is good. I might have put too much water in it, but you know, I really don't care. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these things thicken up, and then we're gonna come back with the Mike's Hot Honey, and we'll check that out in a few minutes. All right, let's check out our grits. Ooh, man, these things really thickened up nice. Look at that, nice yellow butter grits. Now, let's see if we can get the Mike's Hot Honey in there. I ain't never had this before. I don't know whether it's going to be good or bad, but how bad could it be? You know, it's honey, it's chili infused honey, I guess. So hot honey. If it's good, I'm going to get some more of it. But, all right. So, got a whole Mike's hot honey in there. Whew. Man, we're going to stir it up, and then we're going to go up and try it. All right? Oh, man. Let's go up and review this. Okay, here we go with the butter grits and Mike's hot honey in there. All right. Look pretty good. Ah, it's really hot. Ooh, man. The Mike's hot honey and the butter grits. You can taste the butter and the grits, and you can taste the sweetness of the honey. And the hot honey's got just a little tang. Oh man, this could be my new breakfast go-to. Hot honey, Mike's hot honey, and instant butter grits. This is awesome. And we can't forget Folgers instant coffee with vanilla cream. Man, on a nice 75, 76 degree day, nice little breeze coming through, and my own private oak camp. You know, it just doesn't get any better than this, you guys. So, it's been a while since Canteen Cup Tuesday, and I'm going to try to start doing them on a regular basis. I was going to do some Thanksgiving leftovers and stuff from last week, but I ate all the Thanksgiving leftovers. But if y'all have any suggestions that you want to see for Canteen Cup Tuesday, I'm kind of running out of ideas. So just leave me a like on this video if you want to see more like it. And leave me a comment down in the comments below if there's any cool recipe that you would like to see me do. I'll go out and try it, and I'll give you a good shout out in the video. So okay, so we're going to do some more videos on that. And Canteen Cup Tuesday, I'm going to try to get out more and do more Canteen Cup Tuesday. If you want to see more, please leave me a like and comment down below. And once again, coming to you from the Oak Camp, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I'll see you on the trail.